Hello everyone, I'm Santi and welcome back to my English learning video. In today's topic, we are going to learn about the use of there is, there are, some, and any. Kita akan belajar tentang penggunaan there is, there are, some, and any. Kita lihat dulu dari yang pertama, that is the use of there is and there are. Penggunaan there is, kemudian ditambah dengan sentence, ini digunakan untuk singular form, bentuk singular, bentuk yang tunggal, bentuk yang hanya satu, there is. Sedangkan there are plus sentence akan digunakan untuk bentuk plural or jamak or lebih dari satu. Nah, bagaimana penggunaannya? Kita bisa lihat di contoh, there is an apple, an apple. Hanya satu apel, so kita pakai there is an apple. There is a book, there is a pen, there is a bag, there is a parking area, there is a restaurant. Remember, there is digunakan untuk kata benda or noun yang singular. There are. Remember, there are is used for plural form. So, misalnya kita akan bilang there are restaurants, there are books, there are bags, there are parking areas. Di sini kita menambahkan s di kata bendanya menunjukkan bahwa sudah lebih dari satu. So there are. Nah, itu kalau kalimat positif, which is positive formnya ya. Sedangkan untuk bentuk kalimat negatif menggunakan there is dan there are, kita tinggal menambahkan not. So the structure is like this. There is not a book. There isn't a book. So is not bisa disingkat dengan isn't. So there is not a book. There isn't a book. There isn't a parking area. There isn't a restaurant. Sedangkan untuk there are, sama seperti there is, kita menambahkan not. So there aren't restaurants. There aren't parking areas. Aren't from are not, biasa disingkat aren't. There aren't books. There are not bags. Seperti itu. Sedangkan jika kita mau memakai penggunaan there is dan there are untuk pertanyaan, which is for questions, then we can say like this. Are there any restaurants? Are there any books? Are there any bags? Or is there a book? Is there a restaurant? Di sini kita akan menggunakan any, akan dijelaskan kemudian. Tapi basically, those are the examples of how to use there is and there are. Kemudian bagaimana cara menjawabnya? Untuk cara menjawabnya, jika kita bertanya, is there blah blah blah, then your answer will be, yes, there is. Or jika tidak, maka you can say, no, there isn't. Begitupun dengan penggunaan are. There are. Are there blah blah blah? Then, if the answer is yes, then you can say, yes, there are. Jika tidak, maka no, there are not. Or, no, there aren't. Seperti itu. Selanjutnya adalah penggunaan some dan any. Kita lihat dulu dari some. Some digunakan untuk plural form. Jadi contoh misalnya, some books, some apples, some parking areas, some restaurants, some banks, some airports, and so on. Some digunakan untuk benda yang plural lebih dari satu, and bisa kita hitung atau bisa kita jangkau, bisa kita sentuh, bisa kita lihat dan langsung kita hitung. Itu dikategorikan dalam countable nouns. So, some books, buku bisa dipegang, bisa disentuh, bisa dihitung. So, some books. Some apples, some restaurants. Kita bisa lihat restorannya, we can see the restaurants, and then we count 1, 2, 3, 4, and seterusnya. So, some restaurants. Sehingga jika kita mau menggabungkannya dengan penggunaan there is or there are, remember, karena some untuk plural, maka penggunaannya harus dengan there are. Maka dalam contoh kalimat misalnya akan menjadi seperti ini. There are some good restaurants here in this city. There are some taxis here. There are some books on the table. There are some apples on the dining table. Dan seterusnya. Selanjutnya any. Any juga digunakan untuk plural, tetapi any juga akan digunakan ketika kita menanyakan sesuatu. Dan any juga bisa digunakan untuk sesuatu yang bermakna negatif. Kita lihat di contoh berikut. Kita lihat dulu dari penggunaan any untuk kalimat yang bermakna negative sentence. Contohnya, there aren't any taxis. There are not any books. There aren't any restaurants. We don't have any money. We don't have any reservation. She doesn't have any classes. See, penggunaan any untuk kalimat negatif. Kemudian penggunaan any dari kalimat tadi kita sudah bisa melihat bahwa ada plural di situ. So there aren't any taxis. There aren't any books. Books plural, taxis plural. Kemudian penggunaan any for questions, kata tanya. Then we can say, do you have any books? Do you have any apples? Do you have any recommendations? Do you have any pens? Do you have any pencils? Dan seterusnya. Alright, so that is how we use there is, there are, some, and any. Now we will have a chance to practice there is, there are, some, and any in a conversation practice. And I have prepared a short conversation between a customer and a hotel receptionist. Jadi, saya sudah menyiapkan contoh percakapan antara pelanggan dan seorang resepsionis hotel. Di sini kita akan melihat bagaimana penggunaan there is, there are, some, ataupun any yang sudah kita pelajari sebelumnya. Okay. As usual, I will say the red and you will say the yellow, and then we will take turn. Okay? Are you ready to practice? Let's go. Hello, the Sky Hotel. Can I help you? Oh yes, there is an internet access in our hotel. Unfortunately, we don't have any rooms for 4 beds. Yes, there are some banks here near the hotel. You're welcome. Goodbye. Hello, this is Santi speaking. I'm calling about business service. Is there an internet access? Are there any rooms for 4 beds? Oh, I see. How about the banks? Are there any banks near the hotel? Okay, thanks for your help. Goodbye. Alright, so tadi adalah cara kita menggunakan there is, there are, some, and any. If you want to practice more, bisa kalian tulis contoh kalimat menggunakan there is, there are, some, or any di kolom komentar, or you can take a piece of paper and you practice to write down the sentence. Use there is, there are, some, and any. And hopefully this video helped you. Thank you so much for learning English with me, and I'll see you again in the next video. Bye.